If you are searching for a solution to convert your OLM files into various file formats and cloud-based web email clients, I recommend your professional Aryson OLM Converter tool that converts OLM files into various file formats like PST, EMLX, EML, MBOX, PDF, CSV, etc. It also migrates OLM files into cloud-based web email clients such as Gmail, Office 365, IMAP Server, LiveExchange, AOL, Yahoo, etc. Let's check out the prerequisites of the software. Run software as an administrator while using Windows 10 and its earlier versions. Internet connectivity required while migrating OLM file into web email clients or cloud environment. Let's know the key features of the Aryson OLM Converter software. The software saves OLM files into various file formats like PST, EML, EMLX, MBOX, PDF, etc. It also migrates OLM files into various types of cloud-based email clients such as Gmail, Hotmail, Office 365, Yahoo, IMAP Server, LiveExchange, AOL, etc. It removes duplicate emails before conversion or migration of OLM file. Let's check out the working process of Aryson OLM Converter software. First of all, we convert OLM file into PST file format. Download and install Aryson OLM Converter software. Now, select either the single file or multiple file option. The single file option allows converting only a single OLM file. Click on the Browse button to add the OLM file and click on the Open button. If you want to convert multiple OLM files at a time, then choose the Multiple Files folder option and click on the Next button. From here, you can choose either multiple EML files or folders and click on the Open button, then go to the Next button. Then your selected file appears in the software window and you have to click on the Next button to move ahead. In the new tab, tick the particular box to preview the content and attachments of your email. After that, hit Next for further options. Here, in the new tab, choose File Saving Format as PST to save your OLM file into Outlook PST file format. Check the box to eliminate repetitive emails from your converted file. Next, use the Mail filter to separate the particular mailbox that you want to convert. Use the Custom Folder Name feature to save your data into different folders. After that, click on the Save to Path button and choose the location where you want to save your converted email files. Then click on the Next button to start the data conversion process. In some minutes, your converted file is saved at your predefined location and a log report is generated. You can save this log file for future use. Now, your OLM emails are saved into a PST file. You can view and open your OLM mailboxes as a PST file with MS Outlook. Now, follow the steps to migrate your OLM file into Gmail account. Here, you need to select Gmail as a saving option for importing OLM file into Gmail account. Now, you need to enter the login user ID of your Gmail account. Then you have to enter a third-party software password. If you don't have a third-party password, you can create it from the given link, and press the Sign In button. After that, check the box of Remove Duplicate Mail option, then removes duplicate emails from MSG file before migration. Use Mail filter to locate particular email files. Custom Folder Name feature is available to provide a name to your saving folder. Then click on the Convert button to start the email migration process. In some moments, your OLM files are migrated to your Gmail account and a log file is created. You can download this log file for future purposes. Now, your OLM files are safely transferred to your Gmail account. You can access these files by sign into your Gmail account. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.